Manhattan prosecutors move to jumpstart criminal inquiry into Trump. The Manhattan District Attorney's Office has moved to jumpstart its criminal investigation into Donald J. Trump, according to people with knowledge of the matter, seeking to breathe new life into an inquiry that once seemed to have reached a dead end. Under the new district attorney, Alvin L. Bragg, the prosecutors have returned to the long-running investigation's original focus, a hush money payment to a porn star who said she had an affair with Mr. Trump. The district attorney's office first examined the payment to the actress, Stormy Daniels, years ago before changing direction to scrutinize Mr. Trump's broader business practices. But Mr. Bragg and some of his deputies have recently indicated to associates, supporters, and at least one lawyer involved in the matter that they are newly optimistic about building a case against Mr. Trump, the people said. The renewed scrutiny of the hush money in recent months comes amid an intensifying swirl of legal and political drama around Mr. Trump. On Friday, Merrick B. Garland, the U.S. Attorney General, appointed a special prosecutor who vowed to proceed quickly with 2 federal investigations into the former president. It is unclear whether Mr. Bragg or the special counsel will ultimately seek charges against Mr. Trump, who just announced a 3rd presidential run. For Mr. Bragg, the hush money developments suggest the first signs of progress since he took office at the beginning of the year, when he balked at indicting Mr. Trump in connection with his business practices. But in bringing the inquiry full circle to the hush money payment, Mr. Bragg is focusing on an aspect of the investigation that previously failed to bear fruit. The idea of building a case around the hush money had resurfaced with such regularity in recent years that prosecutors came to refer to it as the zombie theory, an idea that just wouldn't die, one of the people said. Under Mr. Bragg's predecessor, the district attorney's office rejected the idea of focusing a case solely on the hush money, concluding, with the help of outside legal experts, that it would hinge on a largely untested and therefore risky legal theory. And if Mr. Bragg were to charge Mr. Trump without uncovering any new evidence or relying on a more conventional theory, he would risk having a judge or appellate court throw out the case.